The CBSE Class 12 exam has started from March 9. Today the students appeared for their physics paper. Let's talk with some students to know how was the paper. How was the paper?
Paper was average. It was an average paper. It was not that much difficult. It was just lengthy.
Lengthy.
Yeah.
Which part was basically lengthy?
The section C, which contained 3 marker questions, were lengthy, and also the 5 marker question, that is the section E, were not having questions having direct answers. It was, there was a twist in all the questions.
So was the question like application based on this part?
Some sort of.
अच्छा था, इजी था।
Easy था. कोई डिफिकल्ट था पेपर में?
डिफिकल्टी थी, कुछ क्वेश्चन थे जो नहीं आए और बाकी सारे
कौन सी पार्ट?
जो 3 नंबर का पार्ट होता है।
3 नंबर पढ़ा। सेक्शन कौन सा सेक्शन? सेक्शन सी। अच्छा।
It was quite easy. It was quite easy.
अच्छा. So was there any difficult part in the paper?
The section B was a bit difficult because it was had to plus some concept.
Tricky. Not difficult.
The question was straight.
अच्छा.
The question
So it's like more on application based.
Yes.
How was the paper?
average level.
Average.
It was.
Which part was lengthy?
The last the 5 number questions they were a bit lengthy. The average was paper was average level, not a bit difficult.
Have you completed on time?
Yeah.
And which was the difficult part in the paper?
The second section. The
Section
two,
B.
two number questions.
Section B.
Yeah.
Okay. And was it like application based tricky section B?
Section B was a bit theoretical. There were a lot theoretical questions.
पर आसान था काफी।
आसान था काफी। अच्छा, कोई डिफिकल्ट पार्ट पेपर में?
नहीं, पेपर डिफिकल्ट नहीं था। जनरली जो क्वेश्चन हमने पहले कर रखे थे वही रिपीट हो रहे थे, थोड़े घुमा फिरा के
अच्छा।
लेकिन वही थे बिल्कुल।
रेपिटेशन कौन सी पार्ट में ज्यादा हुआ?
मुझे तो सारे सेम से लगे।
सारे सेम लगे। कोई ट्रिकी बेस्ड था क्वेश्चन? एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड नहीं?
एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड थे लेकिन डिफिकल्ट नहीं थे कोई।
अच्छा, लेंदी नहीं था पेपर? नहीं था। तो
वो प्रैक्टिस होती है तो हो
अच्छा,
जाता है।
तो तुम लास्ट 10 ईयर का पूरा से पूरा प्रैक्टिस किया था?
नहीं, लास्ट ईयर के नहीं गए थे। मैंने अपनी बुक खरीद रखी थी
अच्छा।
सैंपल पेपर्स की, उसमें से मैंने प्रैक्टिस करी।
अच्छा।
The questions were repeated from the samples paper of 2014 and 13, and the latest CBSE sample paper which was issued. Some 1 or 2 marker questions were issued.
Okay. And have you completed the paper on time?
Yeah.
बेसिक क्वेश्चन थे।
Basic question. ठीक है. From the last year repetition?
There were 2 or 3 questions you could see that they were repeated.
अच्छा. Which part?
I think section D.
5 markers.
5 markers. One was repeated and
From section A.
section A and section B also, I suppose. One question.
There were 3 questions which were repeated.
Are you happy with the date sheet?
Yes, I'm
Yeah,
quite
date
happy.
sheet is very
Good. Fine.
few questions. 1 marker question.
Which question?
Question number 5, 4. They were.
Question number 5 for repeated. Okay.
50 above.
50 above. What's your name?
Sajad Mehta.
Thanks.
60s, how is 60s?
Okay.
50 plus.
50 plus.
No expectation.
कितना एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो?
60 से above 80.
Above 60 to 80. ठीक है.